Ladies and gentlemen, the story of the AI India Impact Summit. In fact, the summit is a great advertisement for India, but there have been some controversies on the sideline. The Galgotias University, and this is one controversy that has come to light, where the Galgotias University, which had a stall at the AI Impact Summit, they have been accused of presenting Chinese robot as innovation. And there is a video, in fact, there is a video that we will also play out. The video where they tried to showcase a Chinese robot and claimed that a Chinese robot was part of the innovation on campus. And following that innovation and following that claim at the AI Impact Summit, even Chinese handles started tweeting how the Orion, the Unitree robot, it's manufactured by a company called Unitree and available for about $2,800 online. And this controversy playing out at the AI Impact Summit, and we are hearing that Galgotias University has been asked to vacate the expo. Now, that is what we are hearing. Now, I'd like to play out the clip of, the claim that went viral and the controversy as it stands. Here's what happened. I want to go across to Rakshita. Rakshita is joining us live. She's at the AI Impact Summit. A lot of fantastic innovation, the India story there at the AI Impact Summit, but this was completely unnecessary, Rakshita. This was not needed. This was avoidable. I don't know why they would showcase, why would anybody showcase a Chinese robot at the AI Impact Summit?
Well, we are right now, in fact, reporting from the Galgotia University Pavilion. And what we understand is that it is still very much here. They have not vacated this pavilion as of now. We were talking to some of the students here. The professor right now in question, who has been, in fact, making that claims, and now the U-turn also. We will try and speak to her also, because there's a lot of, right now, media over there, and there's global media also, global media attention also on this story. But the pavilion is still functioning. What we know, the others here are tight-lipped about it. They're saying that we do not have any, we are not even aware of any such communication from the government. We will try and establish contact with the university professor as to what really happened now. As you mentioned that, yes, there was social media users that have pointed out that this is actually a Chinese robot. And now what we understand from the Galgotias University, they're saying that this was just for the demonstration, and now we have corrected it to acquired from Unitree. And this was for a demo, and it was just an AI. It was our investment. It was a part of our AI investment, not our innovation. We never claimed that it was innovated, but earlier they had claimed, the Galgotias University had claimed that in fact it was created, it was manufactured at their center of excellence. So yes, that is why they are being now called out on social media by the company itself, that they have made false claims. They have tried to pass on an important foreign model, a foreign robot as a made in India one.
Okay, let me see if I have that clip. There is a clip. In fact, it all started with an interview online. I think it was to the public broadcaster, to Doordarshan, where the claim was made that it is an innovation on campus. They claimed it is an innovation, and this robot is at our campus. If I have that clip, I'll play that clip that's gone viral. First up.
या रोबोटिक कुत्ता कहें हिंदी में, लेकिन ये थोड़ा अलग है, हटके हैं. आजकल हम देख पाते हैं क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में ऐसा चल रहा है, लेकिन ये थोड़ा हटके है. नमस्कार. ये ओरायन जो है,
ओरायन बिल्कुल हटके है. ओरायन इज द न्यू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस फेस. इट इज अ रोबो डॉग. और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये बहुत सारे शेप्स और साइजेस में अपने आप को तब्दील कर सकता है. और इसके अंदर जो बैटरीज हैं वो 8 घंटे तक ऑपरेशनल होती है. छोटे मोटे टास्क करता है, ये सर्विलेंस करता है, मॉनिटरिंग करता है, अनएक्सेसिबल जगहों पर जाकर के उनकी पिक्चर्स कैप्चर कर सकता है और हमारी पूरी कैंपस में ये घूमता रहता है. बच्चों को बहुत एंटरटेन करता है.
बच्चों को एंटरटेन करता है. अच्छा, एजुकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है और एआई समिट में है रोबोटिक डॉग या रोबोटिक कुत्ता कहें हिंदी में, लेकिन ये थोड़ा अलग है, हटके है। आजकल हम देख पाते हैं क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में ऐसा चल रहा है, लेकिन ये थोड़ा हटके है और इसके बारे में हम आपको ज्यादा बताएंगे। इस वक्त प्रोफेसर नेहा सिंह मेरे साथ मौजूद है जो बात करेगी। प्रोफेसर नेहा,
हेलो, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। ये ओरायन जो है
ओरायन बिल्कुल हटके है। ओरायन इज द न्यू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस फेस। इट इज अ रोबो डॉग और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत सारे शेप्स और साइजेस में अपने आप को तब्दील कर सकता है और इसके अंदर जो बैटरीज हैं वो 8 घंटे तक ऑपरेशनल होती है। छोटे मोटे टास्क करता है, ये सर्विलेंस करता है, मॉनिटरिंग करता है, अनएक्सेसिबल जगहों पर जाकर के उनकी पिक्चर्स कैप्चर कर सकता है और हमारी पूरी कैंपस में ये घूमता रहता है। बच्चों को बहुत एंटरटेन करता है।
बच्चों को एंटरटेन करता है। अच्छा, एजुकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है और एआई समिट में है।
Okay, so that was a controversy. I'll try and go across to Rakshita. That robot that you see there, was showcased at the Galgotia's University stall. And you can see on the right of your screen, there is the robot available online for $2,800. $2,800, manufactured by a company called Unitree, which is a Chinese firm. And a Chinese social media handle flagged that and claimed that this was manufactured by China and not India. The AI Impact Summit is an event to showcase India's AI might. So in that sense, it was perhaps wrong to showcase it at the AI Impact Summit is the question being asked. Rakshita is still there. Rakshita, what we are also doing here on Republic is we're cutting to a lot of keynotes, a lot of key innovation is also being showcased, but this is an unnecessary controversy. But that apart, what is the situation there? What are they telling you? Have you tried speaking to any of them?
Asked to vacate the premises, to vacate the expo.
We are here.
Yeah, we are trying to get a reaction from one of the professors, as Ms. Neha, who is a professor from Galgotia's University. And what we are gathering, what we are listening, is that they are saying that we never made those claims as it's being reported. And they also say that we have not been asked to vacate from this area, from the venue yet. We have not been, in fact, we were trying to look for that robot. It's nowhere to be seen, but they are saying it's very much safe and sound where it should be now. We do not know what it really means when they say where it should be, but yes, it is. We are in fact we'll be trying to question the representatives, the professors, as there have been many clips that have been going viral. Ma'am,
We've been standing here.
we are live. Okay, I have with me Professor Neha from the Galgotia's University. Ma'am,
You have to give me an intimation.
okay, I'm from Republic TV.
Maybe I'm not looking proper. Maybe I need to settle something.
No, ma'am, this is a very serious issue. That is why we could not wait, ma'am. So, Miss Neha, if you could just explain, have you been asked to vacate this area?
Ma'am, I think we have better questions to take up. How the things which were not intended to came across, how the things were misinterpreted, how the students' work, which was supposed to be showcased in this summit, is taken into clarifying controversy. So these are more important questions that we should be answering. But what you are asking, we have no such directives.
No, the question is that everybody is raising the question, and it's about the reputation of a summit that is being the first one in South Asia, ma'am. The claims that have been made about this robotic dog, this robot being manufactured at the center of excellence. That was the claim made, ma'am. And
Was the claim made that it has been manufactured at the centers of excellence? No.
what do you mean? So what are you saying right now?
I am saying that Galgotia's University has done a major investment in artificial intelligence only to expose our students with cutting-edge technologies from across the globe. This was a part of the investment for the students to study the engineering, to do the R&D, to do the anatomy and develop something further on it and build something from the scratch which has better features, which has better version and which can contribute to Viksit Bharat. Now that did not come across very eloquently, that was not interpreted in the most sane ways, and that is how it took the internet by storm for all the wrong reasons.
Don't you feel that the name Unitree should have been mentioned earlier so as to avoid this controversy?
Ma'am had given. Ma'am has also given an interview yesterday. to BBC
yes.
Hindi.
Your name?
I'm Dr. Neshwara.
Yes.
Yesterday only BBC covered my bite, and there I had clearly mentioned that we have procured the same, and it is an O2 model, O2 Air model, and Unitary has manufactured it. We never claimed we have manufactured it. We have only said that it is a part of the 370 crores that we are investing in the direction of AI, and it is for the upskilling and experiential learning for our students.
Exactly.
All the R&D is being done, and with the help of our Center of Excellences, we are trying to develop more advanced, our own versions, our own prototypes of the same.
You feel that this could have been avoided?
Ma'am, we really regret what
The controversy.
You're claiming this is a misinterpretation.
No, what could have been avoided? The controversy, was it created by us? So we really not in a position to say.
Who are you blaming?
I'm not blaming anyone. I'm only
We are
regretting.
regretting
I'm
that
only
our
regretting the
students-
fact that the time and the energy, which should have been used for showcasing the work of the students, is now being used for something which is very transient, which is here today, will not be here tomorrow.
Will you still showcase the robot?
I will showcase the robot as a part of AI investment.
Is it not here anymore?
It is not here anymore. It has gone back to the lab for the students to continue with their work they have been doing, and also for your attention to be taken to the other relevant stuffs.
Thank you so much, Ms. Neha and Ms. Dr. Srivastava for joining us on Republic TV. So that is the clarification that has been now put out, that we never made those claims. It is something that has been created, and it is unfortunate. And we had, in fact, called that this is an AI investment for the students.
Okay. Okay, thank you for joining us. With those inputs, Rakshita is at the Bharat Mantapam, at that stall, at that expo, where the Chinese robot was showcased. Okay, we'll move on now. There are a lot of good speeches coming in of